Welcome to Meadow Lake, Saskatchewan. It's a hidden game in Canada's Prairie Province. And don't you know that's really breathtaking natural beauty? And this place is more than just a lake. It's a gateway to adventure. So come and join us next time. Meadow Lake sits on the edge of the vast boreal forest, making its perfect spot outdoor lovers. And don't you know that whether you are casting a line for walleye paddling through the glassy waters or exploring the trails, nature, we always put on very powerful adventure. And this is something that the crown jewel in Meadow Lake Provincial Park, one of the Saskatchewan's largest parks, with over 20 lakes and endless opportunities for camping, wildlife viewing, and stargazing under crystal clear skies. Look at that. This is so beautiful. But it's not just about nature. The town of Meadow Lake has a warm, welcoming vibe. Friendly faces, local eats, and community events make you feel at home. So look at this. I'm here at the courthouse. And if you come, join us next time only here at the Meadow Lake, Saskatchewan, only here in Canada. So what are you waiting for? Come and join us. And remember everyone, it's always possible to travel around the world only through the power of God. Bye everyone. See you.